You can't blood clot. Use me, I'm not come class you. You're a user. You're the girl me left. No time at all at blood clot. Use me. I feel like the young girl blood clot left. When young girl still there, young girl not left. How you know what I'm gonna go pay the rent? You want to live like blood, you want to live under bumbo. You want to live like a shit. I should go up on the toilet says come out. That's how you want to live. You don't want to live, you don't want no blood clot responsibility. You don't want a responsibility. Come, but any guy when I'm better, the people them left them furniture them out before them got foreign. I saw the lease, the people them place. No, it belongs to the house, more than 2 pieces of old clothes them want to have. And the woman come from foreign with bare old clothes. She not sell blood clot, rare barrel. She not sell rare barrel, bare clothes she carry from foreign. So look at blood clot clothes, you see the thread them are real out. A pair roll up thread pan and them are real up. But she get them the blood clot clothes of a foreigner. You take her out. It's such a neat and she nice. You're taking her out. Remember a baby boy you're touring in your markets. And I'm fixing up in her front seat. Remember we know your story. Remember I want to buy a batty crease. You can't use me, Jaydenn. You use me long enough and you tell me say me. Tell my mother at the same time, a fellow say you use me a bust it. Eh? You run God black all blood clot root you when you're over here. We know why you sleep on the floor. Oh, I'm afraid of the floor. We send more big cash up and send money come give. Go run a hotel blood clot room. You want to come black blood clot root you. After the woman sorry for you saying your blood clot, they put you on sorry for you. And send money if you got blood clot book hotel blood clot room. You want black the blood clot woman. She that apartheid and money in there. I never have none. I want to beg every day. I want to sound the pan top. I want to work like dog. And naked. Card back Jake slippers come. Hey boy! Card back the people them slippers come. Everyone of them angle up on TikTok. Card back Jake slippers come. The one who look the Gucci brown one look at the Gucci one here where you have a wear. Can you not give nobody? Can you not have none? Or you not give where you not have? Car back, if you buy back Italian underpants yet, you broke blood clot, sad girl. You're hungry like a dog. But what day when you claim this account free spanner, me have to tell her if you get money for buy food for your pit. Now what do you know? What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Remember what you call me blood clot when I say Rosealee I should say account free spanner. I should have pit me hungry. I may have to tell you, say, you don't want money. You not have the money, no, I not have the money because I'm doing some things. I say give the girl want money because the pit they around her. Hungry and nice. You forgot about that? You forgot?